Example 2 asks us to find the zeros of x to the power 2 plus 7 plus 10. We also need to verify the sum and product relationships. We need to split 7x into two parts whose product is 10. Split 7x as 2x plus 5x, since 2 times 5 equals 10. Factor by grouping. The factorized form is x plus 2 times x plus 5. Set each factor to 0. X plus 2 equals 0 gives x equals negative 2 pi. X plus 5 equals 0 gives x equals negative 5. So the zeros are negative 2 and negative 5. For x to the power 2 plus 7x plus 10, a equals 1, b equals 7, c equals 10. Sum of zeros is negative 7, which equals negative b over a. Product of zeros is 10, which equals c over a. Both relationships are verified successfully.